Hi and welcome to a tour of the NITE School lecture hall and electronic classrooms. My name's Stephen Guy and I'm the director of NITE School. This client-server training platform has been developed by NITE School in Australia. It gives distance education students the ability to become avatars in a virtual campus where they can link up together in a collaborative learning environment. Students can talk to each other in smaller groups. These are the classrooms below and up above as well. The virtual classroom supports live video and crystal clear audio, as well as multiple interactive whiteboards, internet tools, documents and screen sharing. There is training and assessing for individual students as well as classes or groups, and these classes and sessions can be emailed as invitations or Facebooked. We say the learning is engaging at the NITE School campus because it's a visually rich training environment. The live connection with video and audio between the students and the tutors, the crystal clear duplex audio, the integrated audio conferencing on multiple speakers, and it does give us a high quality voice over internet even on lower bandwidths. There are shared interactive whiteboards. The tutor is able to type text, launch images and slides, and can also monitor the student's screen, and the student is also able to show the group, the class, together or individually, their screen as well as their documents. It's a rich and exciting training environment, and thank you for coming on this tour. We hope perhaps to see you in here one day. NITE School offers nationally recognised training qualifications similar to a TAFE or community college. We specialise in the business training courses as well as literacy and numeracy skills. And you'll see that the lecture hall and electronic classrooms are just one part of the NITE School campus where there are tutorial areas and so on. So thank you for coming on this tour, and perhaps we'll see you one day.